Hello guys, welcome back to the Raman Property Lonavala. I'm here with one of the new property for sale. So this property is fully functional resort and camping site nearby Pune. It is just 30 kilometers away from Chandni Chowk on Lavasa road and it contains total 1.5 acre area. So the facilities and advantages are the beautiful nature, lots of plantation with the full greenery throughout the year, and 5 elevated cottages with attached toilet and balconies with the view. And there is an infinity swimming pool and lots of indoor outdoor activities. Other than this, there is established goodwill and very good presence on social media, which is IP registered. Indoor games hall and dedicated kitchen also, and caretakers room is also there. DG backup and inverter backup, 2 borewells with the ample potable water and 3 ph electricity. Extremely reliable caretakers are there who are working with the owner since 20 years. So the price is expecting 2.5 crores, which is negotiable. So if you are looking to buy and sell your property at the best price, then call us now.
Oh man, you need some headphones, bro.
You know I suggest